Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show purchase product by user in my account page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in my account page. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to add custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, scroll down on left side you see code snippet. Then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see purchase product. So this is our title that show on my account page. Now scroll down you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and save. Scroll down on left side you see setting and then you see permalink, so open it. Now setting open and scroll down. Click on save changes again. Now permalink structure updated. Now go to my account page and refresh the page. Now scroll down on left side you see purchase product. So click on it. Now you see purchase product by user show in my account page. And you will find code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.